Press Shop solution with AI just in time at its core. Through vision like IoT technology, monitoring the stamping process forms a complete solution. It is divided into incoming inspection scheme, can detect incoming steel plate, scratches, inclusions, pitting, surface dirt and other defects, avoid subsequent defective finished products caused by poor incoming materials and reduce the defective rate. Through thermal imaging and vision technology and laser positioning technology, real-time monitoring of molds and products during production. Through IoT technology, the mold temperature, equipment process parameters, and the quality data during the stamping process is sent to the smart stamping real-time management system, form real-time digitized and visualized reports. Analyzing abnormal data through artificial intelligence technology. Help customers realize production trend early warning, defect analysis, root cause location, process parameter optimization. In order to fully realize intelligent manufacturing and enhance the core competitiveness of enterprises,